This is a dream, to get to be still in college and get to kind of be originating a character in a new musical bound for Broadway. It's so exciting.
So we are doing a workshop of a new musical, Ola More, and that is the title of a song by Erasure, and we are using their song catalog as part of the storytelling in this musical.
Ola More is an original musical about a young man named Sam who moves to San Francisco in the late 80s.
I play Savannah, the female lead. She is best friends with Sam, who is the male lead.
I've gotten to be with this character for the past month, and he is so complex. And yet I think that's what I love about him, is that I'm able to see such a human character and be able to put him onto stage.
We were so excited to work with the University of Oklahoma because their theater program not only has excellent students, but we're game for the technical requirements of what it means to work on a new musical that's changing at a fast pace and requires a high level of skill and rigor to be able to go toe-to-toe with us and the writers as we're trying to figure out what the show is.
As an actor, the dream is to get to create new work. And so when I heard this opportunity was coming about, I was very excited. There was a comfortability with the role when I was auditioning for it. And then the cast list came out like 3 hours later. It was a very quick process, but it did feel right. I was really excited when I got the role.
It's very much like a all hands on deck. Everybody has to be right on the money with every single change that we have to do. And although it's a little bit disorienting at sometimes, it has been absolutely so much fun.
They're just so excited to see what we try and fail at. They want to see, does it work, does it not?
Everyone's center-ish.
The biggest joy for me on this project has been the students. It has been so cool to watch each of them step into not only their power as artists, but seeing the camaraderie amongst them as they're watching themselves grow. And for a musical that is constantly changing and asking these performers to go with us on big swings, they've been toe-to-toe with us. And so the joy of being in the trenches with these students who are working like professionals has been a real treat.
That counts. That makes them stand out. Not every school will have done this. Not every school has this beautiful facility in which we'll do the show. Not every school has a College of Fine Arts that supports this and makes space for this.
A shattered heart in lost debris.
OU has changed my life. The community I built at OU has really made me the performer and person that I am today. It's not just the classes that I've taken that have made me a stronger performer. I think you're only as good of an actor as a person you are. And at OU, I've gotten to really grow in that way, and I get to pull from those experiences and put them into everything I do. It's such an amazing way to cap off 4 awesome years.
Full scholarship to San Francisco State?
They only accept 1,000 writers a year.
In my time here at OU, I've grown as a singer and an actor and a dancer all under one hat. I've gotten to be in every little corner musical theater, whether it be understudying, swinging, and now being fortunate enough to play the lead in a workshop, which I didn't even imagine for myself when I first walked into Oklahoma.
Our students are writing and creating all the time, but to be able to help a professional level team who's coming to work with them contribute and build and make it happen, and hopefully it heads to Broadway. So to connect a student in a new Broadway show at the University of Oklahoma is incredibly special.